I bumped into one of our competitors this morning. Oh yeah? What did they say? He said he loves our videos. It's good, isn't it? He thought we were a parody account. Oh. To bump into somebody means to meet them by chance. For example, you might bump into a client, a colleague, or even a competitor when you're out. I caught up with an old colleague yesterday. How's he doing? Very well, apparently. Better than us? Well, his computer works. To catch up with someone means to meet with them and talk after not seeing them for a while. For example, you might catch up with an old colleague or a former client. It wouldn't be easy to make these videos if we didn't get along with each other. Do we get along with each other? To get along with someone means to have a good relationship with them. For example, it's important to get along with your colleagues, clients, or manager. How did the meeting with the new client go? Really well. We hit it off immediately. Excellent. Did he sign the contract? No. But he is coming to my birthday party. To hit it off means to like someone and become friendly very quickly. For example, you might hit it off with a new client, colleague, or business partner. How did the meeting with the investors go? Brilliant. I think I won them over. Really? What makes you think that? They offered me a biscuit? To win someone over means to persuade someone to support you or agree with you. For example, you might try to win over a customer or a potential investor. We've worked together for a long time, but you've never really opened up to me. I don't like you. Don't open up again. To open up means to start talking more honestly about your thoughts or feelings. For example, a colleague might open up after you've worked together for a long time. A potential client dropped in this morning. Did we get the sale? No. Why not? We were at lunch. To drop in means to visit a person or a place without planning it. For example, a client might drop into your office unexpectedly. Why don't we ever hang out after work? We do hang out. Just not with each other. To hang out means to spend time with someone in a relaxed and informal way. For example, colleagues might hang out together after work. We need a good graphic designer. Why don't you ask around? Okay, is there a problem? I don't really know anybody. Me neither. To ask around means to ask several people for information or help. For example, you might ask around to find a good designer, supplier, or new employee. Someone popped in while you were out? Client? No. A potential client? No. So who was it? Wrong building. To pop in means to visit someone or a place for a short time, often without planning it. For example, a client or colleague might pop into your office.